Mejo so akonta.
Yeti o yanko.
Na ya kasa fitabora.
Okay.
Ma memo abaso na memo MPP ni no ho na abaso. Or the NDC ni na ku school anyumbre pa wa chire na de papa. Na menchia yura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, incoming president. Umpo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne betimi afiti John Mahama. Mike ọman ni mu ayeden Mike oti wo kura unim se ọman ni mu ayeden nye Ghana nko a eye wiase nyina but MPP aban a Nana Danko Akufo-Addo no ebo no homoden se bibia betimi atoto yi Mike yewura Mahama time na covid ni ho na corona ni babia nso ahokyira na egu ya so ọman mu ha no na nye easy yewura Mahama time ye dum so mu 4 years ase ku esi wo ọman mu ha mekai madam fu bi ne na yere dan so ma omo hyeye omo so generator omo hyeye yewura it is here ye nye dum light panam ye ma hyeme because yewura Mahama time my so ni me ye weather yewura Mahama time me wedding machine 5 ni nyina se say because of dum so yewura Mahama nam ho afa ne ho adi to what you say
Okay.
we are Ghana ni na NDC ni be ka kire o say ahokyira ba na yewura John Mahama na beba ma ho atowa Ghana ni a wo bedwe sa no hu say yewura Mahama ba afa di dum so aba Mike media da bia me ka say mato aba from 90s ba me to aba nya so fa so da ba mato aba anya do danko.
Okay. Better say Mame fa next one. Beba cho Mame fa last one. Mame fa next one just say. Hello. Okay, mbajo change we Mame na beba from. Beba cho majo.
My daddy and Hopedia.
Yeti o.
Orobon Kasibuate live from Kantamanto, Accra, Ghana. Papa, I wish, say, who was the program? Master, it's 24 hours. If it's all my listeners, a benefit, we appreciate it. Nibamre, you do Yamin show, what it? My daddy, Papa, Papa, where Chadiaco. Anna, Master, we am Quantaman and Yabua, Pahumian Eba. And the Ghana in people, you know, if we are wanting to cover whom yet. My trans didn't buy man, once the grandma is that. Or remember the amateur. Now, I'm so no one about. And the young boy holding and got energy. More, must make a say. Must make a find this in the Chapel Japan. Or cut the brave Papa and this in your decision. Papa, I could afford only a crown and collect real school now. We never free education. And yes, got idea. Papa, you need to sound yes, got idea now. Oh. Now, and yeah, I could afford to be this 4 years. 4 years will be now one some kind. And I call it the buy. I know the monk. And mama, policy them or the baba. Or the bar, the name me bar. And my money and Praco man get it. And confirm man get it. And Gra a man get it. And cross of man get it. And Tefra man get them the rat.
Okay.
A rat.
Better say Mame next one, majo.
You was on my
Yeti o.
we didn't know was coming every down for Mike.
Okay.
Mike, many of you can see a Sia Henry, a Sia Henry, president in the Catano. Dominican, a Cosia man could only had no for denta, and a mere bash labatels, or those years one or so. Mike, and then we need to hold more custody. Maybe the no example, Mampanita that on the money, Mamma Mike, Mr. Jumapa. Or so diminished my brother Hokaka. Many families no $300 million now confirm. But down soon, a baby said, I'm a Kenyan country. On Pinda, Mahama time. I what time call moon, and you want fair moon. And then on Pinda, not that for the time. Yet that light me the whole month, the whole year, the whole visit of Pinda, not that for that light me that is in there. The very light of Koya, the light of Maria Chiba. So man paying another that go for the buy and the fact is they want me on ye and the fact me we are coming who better junior actually. So man paying that there is the one is bresso and I'm going to Mike and then can call any more friend in a year and no one more cafe another go for the watch it she cover the buy so you can walk listen there you take 1 year DL no year coba on pay we not again Mike I was talking to us
Better say Beba cho me majo.
Yeah, good evening, brother Mike.
Yes, I hear you.
Yeah. No mumpa MPP phones won't come to Kaka. Ebe, na media go for the buy idea why ye pa ye tuning kapa or sawabroni. Any clearing agent.
Let me tell you something. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, the same Canadian Japan was holding strings and saying that he has faith in the Electoral Commission of MPP.
No need to add milk to that rich, creamy cup, which helps to nourish and energize your kids.
And that everything is clear. No kululu bianim, no basabasaye bianim, or G process nidi, wa G process natum. This is what he said. Okutadie yellow me and be said, one more checky BBA into a no compare kwe Japan. Ready say this election should go on because he has all the security things there. Or G2 say security near Korean security. Mr. Kennedy Japan. Mr. Kennedy compare kwe Japan. With all due respect, the most powerful man in Ghana, please go unopposed as an independent candidate. Right now, today, you have shown that even the sitting president who has made you rich, yes, Kennedy, the sitting president Akufo-Addo, who has made you rich, you are going to give him a showdown. And you will give the vice president a showdown. This is what we talked about, and your shallow supporters didn't understand. We were talking nonsense. This is the thing we talked about. Say President Diye enye di otumi to enam de ma wo we ye. President Diye enye obi a otumi de wo ba ko school. President Diye enye obi a sebe wo be things come out say fakoto aduane di. That is not a president. We told you people. We told some of you bloggers Jimmy Foni bi amugu social media Kennedy Japan timu pese mudi gu party say party no. And na ebubo ba no. When we talk of maturity, we are not talking about age. When we talk about maturity, it is not about age. Maturity is when you say penny die mante. And yansafu ATM ya no pe mie ya dwumni enjai say jimie na ye jimi no. O penny die mante. Where your election po hwede oya no ho. Election keke. Look at what Canadian Japan is doing. And this man told all NPP people, say, or the Mubeko position. And stupid people still follow that bullshit. What's wrong with you people? Yes, pretty. Let me lose you today. Alex, I'm sorry. I love you so much, but let me lose you today. From today, unfollow me and don't come to my page again. It's okay. If I'm telling you the truth and you cannot take the truth in, Alex, I love you so much, but don't ever come on my page again. You leaving my page will not bring my page down. So don't come. Because some of you, this is the bullshit we have endorsed and we are seeing the thing destroy and you are still early morning like this supporting such bullshit. What is wrong with some of you? Alex, this thing just happened. You are seeing the thing happen and you are still there saying that you are supporting Kennedy Japan for what he's just doing. May say, everybody, as I have said, I will keep saying and say again. We have been told this morning that the biggest man in Ghana, he is